I got these no hood support shocks. It's a 14 Maxima. Let's get the old ones out and get these new ones on. A little clip right here, a little retainer clip. Just take your flathead, get it up in there like that. Slide it off. And you do the same thing on the bottom. And just like that, it's out. Put that one right there. Let's get this a new one. Nothing special about putting it on. You just slide it on like that. And like that, that's in. Let's go over to the other side. Got that one out. Got that side out. I just same as the other side. Just pop that one on. And come down here to this other one. Pop it on. Just like that, we got a new hood. Lift supports. So I shouldn't need, don't need a little piece of wood anymore.